All right, yeah, there you go. My wheels. Remember, minor axis to the vanishing point, always. Okay, minor axis to the vanishing point. So I'm sketching now. Very soon you will see what I'm doing. So I will just... All right, so I will start using light gray on number 2, okay? Let's say the whole top is glass, okay? Then we have the reflection here inside this section. This part hits the light, so we'll pick up the light. But this part here, it's in shadow. So it's going to be a reflection inside that area. And that's what I'm trying to do now. And I will do that also with a marker that's going to be a little bit darker. You will see. Once I finish, you will understand. So this is a side view, and we are making this perspective. When we do this perspective on car sketches, we place the light always on top here, you know, here. So according to the direction of the light, the shadow will go underneath, and we push that shadow. Okay? I hope that that I'm clear. I hope. All right. So now I will not use, you know, the color pencil. I will do something different this time. So first of all, I will apply the highlights this time with the chalk like this. Okay? And I will show you how I do it. I mean, that's my way. I hope you're gonna like it. So, first of all, I need the cream color. It's very similar to this one. Okay? It's not pure white. There's a little bit of yellow in there. Okay? So look what I do. Then I go with my finger and I start, you know, work this chalk. I don't press too hard, huh? But I try to, you know, to manage this chalk, to put it exactly what I want it to be. Now don't worry if there is this dust on top of the marker, because I will go over with the marker anyway. So no big deal. I take off the excess of dust and I check how it is. Thank you, Kazaki. Now, I'll do another thing. I will mix. This is a little bit more complicated, but don't worry, you have to try. I will mix a little bit of black with this color because I want to make a core, you see? I cannot use only black because if I use only black, it's gonna be a mess. So I have to put white, cream color and black. Mix them together. First of all, no spray fix. Don't use spray fixative on Canson because it will be, all the chalk will disappear. So we cannot use spray fixative on Canson paper. Impossible. Okay. Now, I'll take my number 10, okay, the very dark one. Look. Now we are missing the yellowish, the sun. Here we go. So let's do it. But first I have to clean up my finger, okay? So wait just a second. I clean up my finger and then we will apply the warm and cool. A little bit of yellow. Cool color. I think I will go for this one. Look. Let's try. Because we don't have the spray fixative. Don't forget that we'll always have onto this Canson paper a little bit of dust, you know, the dust of the chalk. For that reason, when I will put my acrylic highlights, I'll be very careful, because if I don't put enough, the dust will mix with the color, with the creamy effect of this, and then it will look something awful. So always, you know, make tests, try. Focal point is here. Okay, now there are only few details we can add, you know, just to have fun, like to make sure that we did really something cool, that we are very happy. So, few cut lines, for example. Now I take this pencil, the dark one, because with the dark one I'm gonna make the shadow of those cut lines. Look what I do. I'm making the strokes in this way to make it look very dynamic. You see, it's this one, this reflection here. And here too I have to make it. You see, now we have a relation between the background and the reflections on the car. That's very interesting. Last thing that I have to do, I take my white pencil. All right, and the last thing, and then we are finished. It's the last highlight that I need to put. Now the Sharp eraser, I don't agree. I'm sorry, Mashit. We do not use eraser in card sketching, in card design. No, 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 no. Our teacher was so pissed when somebody at the first days of school would use the eraser. He said, take that thing off. There is still a correction to make, unless my students will say, hey, Luciano, what the hell did you do there? You tell us not to do that, and you did it. Yeah, here. The problem was here. I really had to make sure that the car is not part of my background, that is off background. That's why I put this black line here. It's done. Very glossy.